Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. My friend Tereasa from Crafts by Tereasa sent me the happy meal, which I needed. So let's see what she gave me. I don't remember. Oh, tubes. Oh, what's in them? Oh, I think this is her homemade ones. Yeah, look at. That's right. Check these out, guys. She sat here and did this. Look at that. Oh my god, I can't wait to put these down. But then there's extra for me to do it. That's cool, Tereasa. I forgot about them. She kind of showed me. I have an idea now. Because this packet, okay, it's funny. She sent me, I think last Monday or Tuesday. You know, it's supposed to be here 3 days, you know, whatever priority mail is these days. Well, it didn't process. And I, of course, got an email that expected package, blah, 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 you know, and all that. And, it didn't happen. Oh, oops. My bad. But I sent her one out after she sent mine, and she got mine before I got hers. Yeah, postal service. So here's another one that she did. Oh, that one cool. I don't have that stamp. That's a cool looking stamp. And then all this extra to do some on. That's cool. Cool. I don't know how to ask her where that stamp's from, because I didn't like it that. Like, I need another stamp. But you know what? Stamps are fun. That's cool. I don't want to smooth it. You're packing a tube. It's a good idea to save the Tim Holtz tubes. So that was cool. Cool. Alright. Oh, that's right. These are cool. She bought this baby wipe container thing from Jane Davenport. And it didn't seal right. So she picked some of these up. Sean found them, I guess, on Amazon. And she got, I don't remember exactly how many. She told me to pick one. I picked this one, and then she sent me this one. But you can put your baby wipes in it. And the funny thing is, so it's been about 3.5, almost a month, kind of. Yeah, because it is the 28th. Yeah, so it was like the 23rd or 24th of February that me and Scott ran to Walmart to get a baby monitor for Dad, got some flushable wipes for Dad, and, you know, got me my new pillow. But I also bought myself baby wipes for my craft room. And guess what? I can't find them. Yeah. So I have to find it today, because I'm kind of now that I'm home and I'm sitting here and I'm organizing stuff that came in that I won Kathy's prize. I did the video, but it's just kind of just sitting here. So I'm putting things away today. So I'm hoping I can find my baby wipes so I can use my baby wipes container. I like that you can hang them. So that's a cool. So thank you for those, Tereasa. And then she sent these little Mickey Mouse cards for Rue. And it's a game that we can play. It's just a little deck of cards. But I was looking at these last night. But we can kind of play a game. It says collect the most sets of 4 cards with the same number. Deal each player 5 cards and place the remaining cards in draw pile with cards facing down. Player to the left of the dealer begins. They play. Please guess. So it's like old maid or goldfish. Player 1 asks another player for the card number. So, and then there's a bonus game. So, And it's Riley's birthday, so I'm going to give them to Riley from Teresa today. Because it's Riley's birthday today. She's so excited. She's 7 years old. She tried to call me this morning, okay? They have a little, like, rec center. It's like the Boys and Girl Club, but it's on Oneida Tribal Land. You have to be 7 years old to go there. So she's been all year. I got a matter of weeks since I'll be 7, or in a matter of months, except you don't know the concept of a kid's timing. You're talking like last year this time telling me that when she's 7, when she turns 6, when she turns 7. So we've been hearing about this all year long. Well, now she turns 7. The first thing she says to Diamond this morning, as well as me when she called me, is I can go to the rec center tonight after school, Mom. So Diamond's going to take her to the rec center and sign her up. And they have, like, the boys, and they have activities and all sorts of stuff for the kids. Oh, what else is in there? Oh, nothing. Okay, I thought I felt something else. Oh, I did. I did feel something. Oh, it's the bottom of the one thing that keeps coming off. Cool. There we go. Put it back in there. Okay. So she sent me the Dina Winkley Mixed Media Collage Collective 60 double-sided printed pages. She said there might be 1 or 2 missing, but hey, I don't care. This is cool. I can't wait to play. And she says there's different types, 2 different types of paper. So I've got the thin stuff. I can't wait to play. I've never bought her books, so this is exciting. Oh my God, look at the faces. Oh my God. Don't you wish your own work looked like this? And look at, I just did my nails and my nail polish is already coming off. I tell you, that's why I don't wear fingernail polish. Oh my God, this is so cool. Oh, look at the face. I wish I could draw faces. Now, I might be able to manage that. Maybe. But I look at this and I'm like, why can't mine look like this? But I get told my mixed media is really good, so, you know, I should quit comparing myself. Bad combo. But I wish I could do a face. Draw a face. It'd be so cool. Man, oh my God, look at that. Oh. And they're double-sided, which I hate double-sided paper for this reason. Because now I got a face, but I like this side too. What do I do? Buy another book. I don't even know how much these are because I've never looked into it. So Teresa decided to send me an extra one. Oh, now I can tell. So the paper on one end is a little thicker, so you can tell they're thin. Oh, so did the same images? Yes, they are. Oh, that's so cool. That's cool. So now you have a choice of like cardstock or like printer paper is the best way I can describe the front half of it. Like she said, there might be a little cut here, but hey, I don't care. Oh, somebody loves me. My daughter, and it says love it. Because I did something for Riley's birthday cake. And she just messaged me back. Love it. Oh, look at the hand. The hand. I have to fix my nail. I don't know how I manage that. So thank you, Teresa. Love everything. I just have to find my baby wipes. One more item I'm going to show with Teresa's because it's only one little item that I threw in my Amazon order. And this was this. I found this stamp. It looks like stitches, like sewing stitches. I thought it was pretty cool. I think I paid $2.99 for it. Isn't that cool? Awesome. So that's it, everybody. That's my friendship mail from Teresa. And I think I got all my videos done. I did get a new chair. My husband bought me a gamer chair, actually. It's identical to Teresa's, so if you watch Teresa's, hers is purple, mine is red, and I am loving it. And I didn't realize when I ordered it. This thing's the coolest thing. I can show you a picture of it. Where's my phone? Here's my chair. Okay? Isn't that cool? Love it. I even got it. But I didn't realize till last night, after Scott put it together, and I don't have it on right now, because it don't need to be on right now, but this thing right here, it's the other cushion. You ready? This is so cool. And Scott took full advantage of this last night. See that? It's a massager. Yeah, I did not realize that. It's so cool. Yeah. We're moving up in the world, I tell you. So, I did not realize that. Did that. So, whoops, sorry. So, we had to check it out last night, so Scott sat in it. Scott fell asleep in my chair before I even got it back in my room, because I put it together out in the living room. He did for me. And I was checking this out. I'm like, oh, baby, you got to check this out. And he did, and he fell asleep in my chair. So, that is my new chair. That is my birthday present from my husband. We finally had time to order it. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Teresa, for the wonderful friendship mail. I'm going to wrap this up and give it to Rue for her birthday. She'll be 7 years old today. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.